Here at LRE Foundation Repair, we fix failing foundations and lift sinking concrete, improving the lives of Florida homeowners every single day. But it's not just customers who love us, it's our employees as well. What makes LRE such an outstanding company? Well, how about we let the people who work here tell you themselves?
What makes LRE special? Man, everyone cares about each other here. I know it's cliche to say everyone's a family, but we really are.
We are really family oriented.
Hands down, it's a family.
LRE's culture is unlike anything that I've ever experienced in a workplace. I feel LRE's fostered such an environment where you enjoy waking up in the morning and going to work.
We do not want to be your stereotypical contractor. At LRE, you have a true collaboration to get a positive end result. Everybody here is motivated toward the same goal. If you got happy customers, you probably have happy employees, and I think that shows in our company here.
Culture isn't the only thing that LRE excels at. Being the best at what you do requires more.
The leadership here is definitely unmatched and unlike anything or any company that I've ever worked for in the past.
Our leadership team does allow our employees within the company different pathways to grow so that they can be the best version of themselves.
They keep everybody included, and transparency is big. So there's no surprises. We're all on the same page.
And then we have Frank, who will stand up in front of our group and with tears in his eyes tell us that we are family, and he believes it and he means it.
You know, we spend the majority of our days at work, and for someone not to be happy while they're at work is just a recipe for disaster. I want to be that person that helps people grow in life, not just in work, and just be that person that someone can always rely on.
Strong culture and leadership are prevalent at LRE, but it's integrity that makes up their backbone.
We're very passionate about taking care of the customer, and I don't think we know how to operate any other way than being an ethical company.
I really feel that our ethics help us keep promises, and they also help us to make decisions that create positive impacts, ripples, if you will, in the community.
Our ethical values that we hold here at LRE are the reason I want to come to work every day.
I haven't met a better group of guys, our production guys, who when we get to a house, they legitimately care and they want to fix the problem. We go above and beyond for our customers every day.
We just set the bar so high, not only for ourselves, but the work that we complete.
We follow through on what we say we're going to do for the customer, and I think that's extremely important whenever it comes to this type of work.
We care. We're building an experience, and we all look at it like we're building legacies.
Building a legacy out of culture, leadership, and values. That's LRE, and that's who we are.
It's a great place where people can grow and provide for their families and have a great work-life balance and a great work experience and just, man, create fulfilling lives. It doesn't get any better than that.